right into this world all alone.
Thanks.
Sure.
Don't know what to say here.
It's nobody's fault. How about that?
Bottom line here. I found out I have a sister.
Hey, sister, you nearly shagged.
Say that like it's a bad thing.
If you want to get Gemma off the hook for the homicide and reduce time for the club, then you need to make Jimmy a priority. Do you understand what I'm saying?
How's he supposed to do that now that the IRA is after him? This is ridiculous.
Police will know we're missing by now. They're going to be looking for us.
You seem to be handling this well.
At least in comparison. Get a hold of yourself.
City Council held a crisis assembly tonight.
Nobody has informed answer.
I ain't get no damn email.
What the hell does this mean?
It means Hale is preparing for the total takeover.
If anyone left we could trust down in Erie.
Probably.
What the hell is going on here? Who are they torturing?
What about him?
Oh, this guy. Kill him, but make it quick.
I'll see you.
Who do you think has to clean that up?
Yeah.
Don't you have contacts who deal in those matters?
You heard about Lumpy Feldstein? Passed tonight.
Oh, Lumpy.
Tongue bleeding.
That's awful. I'm sorry to hear that.
I bet you are.
I have my hands in a lot of local development ventures, Chief. That's what I do. Maybe you should focus on what you do and find Lumpy's killer.
He's sitting right in front of him, dude. So, no worries. You'll get him.
Whoever wanted that space might have more motive to make him go away.
So you're suggesting that the suspects are a group of civil servants and businessmen?
No, just you.
Sister Miriam. Father Ashby said you'd be coming by.
Where's my son?
Please, come in and have a seat.
No thanks.
He was given to a family 2 days ago.
What family?
Names. Immediately. Come on, spill it.
I don't have that information.
Bullshit.
Tell me where my son is! Back off!
Oh! Wait a sec, guys.
Mom.
Hold on.
What now?
Just need a second.
Stop delaying stuff. Ah, nice. Didn't see that one coming.
Bring me that baby. The kid!
Whoa. Are you planning?
Mom.
That little girl knows what it means.
If I was that mother, I'd rather have a half-dead kid than watch someone else raise my flesh and...
How did they make this kid cry so much? Child abuse much?
We both know that this anonymous thing is bullshit. Now you are gonna tell us where our grandson is, or I swear to God, I will cut this baby in half.
Katie and Mark Petrie. We do a 4-day transition period. Parents stay local to make sure it's a good fit.
Where is he now?
Good work. Now kill these lying bastards. Follow them quietly. Where are they going? Hopefully not to the airport. Couldn't they have gone to some dark back alley? This is a bit public to do anything. What is this? Is he thinking about leaving Abel? Definitely a more secure environment these two can offer him, even though Abel doesn't look too happy. Why is there another homeless woman who looks suspiciously like the one from season 1 and season 2? Is she stalking the sons or what? Well, even if you leave him to them, I don't think Gemma will play ball.
I made a deal with Jack's teller to deliver Jimmy off
What
Allen.
about Gemma's statement?
She fled. Come on, baby, this is huge, okay? It's good for both of us.
But mostly you.
I interrupted something.
No.
That give you a little stiffy, Wayne?
What the fuck? He hasn't had a stiffy in centuries.
Tara Knowles is missing. Nearly 2 days.
Oh my god, we're shocked.
By your reactions, I'm guessing you already knew that.
Oh, these guys are such bad actors. The characters.
His ransom was us killing Alvarez and stealing $250K from his home safe, which of course we didn't do. We got Alvarez to play dead for the day.
But you still need the cash.
Yeah.
We can help you with that.
Oh, how generous you are. This is...
Lumpy said the guy who attacked him was Mexican. Claimed that the beatdown was Mayan.
Well, the Mexican is carrying a grudge against Alvarez and Sam Crow.
Just make him disappear already. I don't know what that guy is even thinking. He has no backup, no allies.
Where's Abel?
I need to talk to you, Mom.
Upstairs.
Well, this will be interesting to see.
I let him go, Mom.
What? What are you talking about?
I don't belong here, Mom. And neither's Abel.
Where is my grandson?
Told you.
You don't care. If you've killed 100 men, he is your son.
He's gone.
And what are you going to tell your other son when he asks what happened to his big brother?
Oh, that's a bit... He didn't know that yet.
He's away out the country.
What?
He's gonna use your child for leverage.
What?
The hotel. Come on!
How did he come to that conclusion?
Holy shit.
Well, so much for that happy, secure family, huh? What is it with Irish and kidnapping babies? Jesus.
I did this.
Actually, the priest did this. So when will he finally get what he deserves?
Gemma. Go ahead. I got him.
God, how heavy is that woman? He's really struggling. Oh, careful with the skirt. I think I saw something.
Probably wants to meet with you. Till then, we wait.
None of this shit would have happened if you told us where Abel is when we first got here.
Yeah, exactly.
trying to
Finally
help this
someone
family.
making the point.
Help us.
You serious? Hey! Are you serious? Hey!
It's not his fault.
Of course it is!
It's my mistake.
Oh, bullshit!
Hey, bitch! Shit quick. You got 5 minutes.
Jump out the window. And forget Margaret ever existed. Break the mirror. Oh, it is already cracked. Nice. So we have a weapon covered. Oh, these stupid kids. All of them. Your bike! Why are you running? Use your bike! What the hell? Warning shots maybe.
Federal agents!
Oh yeah, scream a bit louder.
The kid's shaking us. He's getting away. Are you kidding me?
Where'd he go? What happened to the kids?
That's Salazar, man. He just spotted us.
Shit!
Well, after him.
Salazar made us.
It's a late model red sedan headed towards Commerce.
Oh my God!
You idiots.
I love that though, that he just lost the money.
Hector.
Who's the setup? Your cops waiting for me.
Little bitches!
Doctors are always the best killers.
Drop the gun.
No. You drop it.
Luisa! Luisa!
She's bleeding out in the bathroom.
Not sure you should have said that.
Oh, shit.
You need me to keep her alive.
Just pull the trigger.
Okay, first we get Luisa in the car. We'll get her out of here. Then she can go. Oh my God, baby.
Just shoot him now. Or run.
Come on, help me! Come on,
Oh, why are you helping him? Oh.
Clay's pity has moved into profound loathing. I see my best friend and my wife growing closer and closer. I feel nothing. Not even fear. And I know I should be afraid.
He should be afraid that Clay maybe really kill him to become the new president.
He's a sweet lad. I wanted a good priest to return him right away. He's the one who kept him from his da. Forced the situation.
It's a bit late to tell him all that. Dude, should have done that immediately.
Making the exchange. No way I get out of here alive. Just with a hostage.
You agreed to this?
Who cares?
He's gonna kill you.
So what? Don't act like he's the victim here.
I'll never let anyone take you from me again. I love you.
He can't even look at you because he knows what you planned. You wanted to leave him.
You still got Tara?
I'm afraid so.
He had him at his aunt's house. Foreclosure. We went through it top to bottom. It's empty. Still have an APB out on the car. I'm sorry.
Fuck you.
Molotov!
Welcome home, kid.
He should just leave the country right now, before some other shit happens. She gives Jax the letters that John wrote. So I'm assuming Clay had something to do with John's death. Yeah, she looks pretty dead. But no worries, Salazar, she's just sleeping. The eternal sleep, though.
I'm sorry. She's gone.
Why the fuck would you even tell him that? Because you're the one who killed her.
Gemma.
You snake. Although if Clay really killed John, then she's more like a whistleblower than a snake.
Jax. Let's take.
What?
You're gonna want to hear this.
Yeah.
Now I'm supposed to think that something bad happened to Tara, I guess. When in reality Tix is telling him that she's still with him. Because I doubt he would know already if something happened between Tara and Salazar. You can't fool me, sir.